Hello, good day. Ako po si Pastor Rick Boto ng Novaliches Christian Community, which I've been pastoring for more than 40 years. I happen to be also one of the faculty members of Andrew Theological Seminary, which for the past more than 20 years have been teaching at this institution. In my own humble way, aside from the lectures I give to the students, I also share my own practical experiences na sa loob ng pagpapastor ko sa aming church ng more than 40 years. I have a lot to share to them at very much appreciated nila yun. Hindi lang sila natututo ng mga theories, kundi back up iyon ng mga experiences na I went through in my serving the Lord. Every time I am here teaching, I'm always reminded by God at very appreciative ako sa Kanya dahil He has given me the gift to teach, ano? So, nakaka-humble yun sa akin na kaya ako nakakapagturo because He has empowered me to do it. So, there's no reason for me na to say no kapag ako iimbitahang magturo. Kasi nga, it's all because of what God has given me as a gift. Well, ang isang maaari sigurong source of pride, no? I hope we're not sinning. Pero isa sa source of pride ng Andrew, ang mga faculty members dito ay mga seminary graduates from, for example, ako, at yung mga kasamang teacher dito ay galing sa nagtapos sa Asian, the other ATS, Asian Theological Seminary, at yun na nga, mayroong mga wide ministry experiences na nagiging helpful sa mga estudyante dahil meron silang, parang they look up to us as their model. So, ang sabihin, yung mga teacher, hindi lang purely theories ang ibinibigay, kundi mga life experiences. If I may add, mayroong mga magagandang testimonies akong narinig, no? Na yung mga alumni ng Andrew Theological Seminary, right now, they are pastoring churches, na yung mga churches nila ay nakaka-experience ng growth. Okay? Kaya, we're proud of that, na hindi nasasayang yung pagtuturo, mga efforts ng mga teachers kasi may bunga ito sa paglilingkod ng mga nagtapos din dito sa Andrew Theological Seminary. Okay, so ako po ay personally nagbibigay ng paanyaya sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-aral, gustong matuto at lalo pang maging equipped and skillful in doing their ministries in their respective local churches. You will never regret it once you decide to enroll dito po sa Andrew Theological Seminary. Come now!